What matters to you? I don't mean your car or your hair or the lack of your hair. I mean, what really matters? 170 years ago, for a great many people, their answer was gold. People came from around the world to a small patch of land in the foothills of the Sierra Nevada. The rush to El Dorado had begun. But even then, those who sought riches in the river of El Dorado, if they were honest, it wasn't really gold that mattered most to them. What mattered to them is the same as what matters to most people today. It's when our favorite people and our favorite places collide to create moments and memories that affect us forever. El Dorado County, situated between Sacramento and Lake Tahoe, is home to some of the most diverse, beautiful, and unique people and places you could ever hope to encounter. This is a place where memories that shape us forever take place. The scenery, historic main streets, and sprawling natural landscapes are nothing short of spectacular. Spanning more than 1,800 square miles and boasting terrain that begins at just feet above sea level to heights that reach more than 10,000 feet, the adventures are truly endless. The 1848 discovery of gold in Coloma launched the largest gold rush in history. So although remnants of the past are plentiful here, this area has much more to offer than rustic mining towns and historic sites. El Dorado County is a year-round destination for outdoor adventurers, lovers of wine and agriculture, families looking for an escape, and of course, those who appreciate the richness of the past. So whatever it is that matters most to you, El Dorado County has been a place where moments form memories that become the things that have mattered most to people from around the world for almost 200 years. So come explore for yourself the wonders of this historic place. This is El Dorado County.